Good evening.
Hey.
Yeah, it's going.
Hey. You guys excited for this midterm on Saturday?
No.
Me neither. I'm a little bit terrified for it.
Yep. Especially when they say, don't worry about not learning everything.
Say that one more time.
They said, don't worry about learning everything. You don't have to know everything. I'm like, yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's not your grade. It's not your scholarship.
Yeah. The hard part is just the stupid 15% of our grade.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Just a huge chunk. All right, well, everybody's here. We just do this?
Yep, let's do it.
32 questions.
What was that?
Yeah, there's like 32 questions. This is crazy.
Wait, 32? We're doing 14.
Right?
There's 32 on the 15.
Oh,
I'm
15.
Okay, great.
Oh, so
Wow.
Did you do the one for Thursday?
I don't
Yeah,
think I
that's
did.
Thursday.
I think I was just in the next week because I was just looking at it probably.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just looking at it.
Okay, good.
Okay, well that's for Thursday, I guess.
Yep. 14. There's just
Sorry.
18 on this one.
Okay, that's not that bad. I feel like last time we had to do an exam, we only did one class meeting quiz, didn't we? Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It's a lot of work this week.
Yeah, there's a lot of work.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'll fire it off. Question 3. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject HO when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. I put true.
That is true, yes.
So on question 4, this is what requirements have to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test for all that apply. I wasn't sure if the first one needs to be marked or not.
I said
Sample.
no.
No, right, okay. So it's just the other.
Yeah, just the last 2.
Okay.
Yep, just 2 and 3. Yeah. All right, question 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. And we need to construct group.
I put construct a QQ plot for each group.
Yeah.
That's what I.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Sorry, I took it out for a second there.
Okay, question 4. We assume that variance in each group is the same if the following happens.
B.
Yeah.
Large variance. Yeah.
Variance less than 4 times.
All right, question 7. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? Should be 6.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, question 8. The data in the soccer shoes XLSX was collected to help determine how the design of a soccer shoe affects accuracy of a kick. 5 types of shoes, label A, B, C, D, E, and also just wearing socks for a total of 6. Throw represents a kick from 10 meters away from a target that was hung. 115 centimeters up from the ground. Column accuracy is the distance in centimeters from where the ball impacted the target to the center of the target. So smaller numbers, more accurate. And what is the minimum smallest variance for the 6 group? I think I got this right. I put 27.208.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, good.
Number 9 says, what is the maximum or largest variance for the 6 groups? And I put 53.158.
Yep, that's right.
Yes.
Question 10, the test for equal variances is satisfied for this data, and that is true.
Yeah.
Question 11. Construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plots.
True.
I put false on that one because I kept getting them all over the place.
So you have to sort them.
Right.
If
I
you
had
just copy and paste in, it'll do it scattered, but once they're sorted, then it'll be true.
right.
Okay, so you just sort them from lowest to highest.
Yeah, it actually
Yes.
says on the instructions on the Excel.
Okay, so question 12. Remove the sock data and perform the test again. What is the p-value? And I got 0.309.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got. So number 13, the test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or the left of the F? It's the right.
The statistic's always to the right.
Yeah.
Then 14 says, let's examine the calories first. Construct QQ plots for the calories for each of the 3 types of hot dogs and compare the variance and the assumptions used in ANOVA. So that one I still had the QQ plot all over the place, but the variances was, you know, the QQ plot was meant as well.
Yeah. So that would be, you
Well,
had A on that?
A.
Yeah, the assumptions have been met. If you look at the QQ plots, they're pretty much normally distributed.
yeah.
I just wasn't sorting, so when I did that one, it was still I put false.
All right. Running a ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dogs. It's to claim that one of the hot dog types has a different number of calories than the other type.
You're cutting out then. It's
I'm
D.
cutting out.
Yeah,
D.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, question 16. Now let's determine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots of the sodium level for each of the 3 types of hot dogs. You should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption. The smallest variance is 7180.75 and the largest is 10492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use ANOVA? I think that was to use ANOVA, but it's a double. Is that double for you guys? The use is written twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the variances are not equal.
Right.
So, but the variances,
You can
the
assume,
theory for the variances.
So it's 4 times larger.
yeah, but
it's
the
less than
QQ
47.
plots, when you construct them, as long as they're normal, then you can make that assumption that the variances are going to be equal, right?
I think so, yeah.
So it's A.
Yeah.
It's just
So you ignore the third requirement if the QQ plots are normally distributed?
yeah.
Well, but the variance, they're still equal though, because I don't think the smaller variance or the larger one is 4 times bigger than the smaller one, is it?
It is
It's easily.
No.
If you're looking at the QQ plot and those, and they are normal, then their variances are going to be, although they'll be different, they should be normalized as well.
Q plots. It's no question that they're saying that poultry problem,
You're dying,
so
Ben.
it isn't normally distributed.
Yeah, I can't. You're cutting out so bad.
Sorry.
We can't understand anything you're saying.
We think you're on question 4
Damn.
still.
Yeah. I'll still go.
We can put A on that one, and then I'll submit. So if it's wrong,
Yeah, let's try it.
Is that a little bit better?
All right, and then question 17 is, despite the problem with the QQ plot for poultry, we determined if the mean and sodium levels are the same for all 3 groups, what is the p-value for this test? And I got 0.179.
that's what I got.
That's what I got as well.
And then on 18, what conclusion can you draw from the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Use a level of significance of alpha equals 0.05. I put, we don't have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same mean sodium levels. There's nothing.
A B.
Yeah, B.
So,
These ones always hang me up. I can never. I get these wrong on the homework assignments every week.
Yeah.
all right, I'll submit. See if you guys need to change 17 or not. Don't change 17.
All right.
20 out of 20.
Sweet.
Work. I would not have guessed that was.
We're getting good at these.
I was
feel like-
cutting in and out. What did you guys get for 16?
A.
Okay.
All right. Good work.
All right. I will get this submitted.
All righty.
Okay.
Start fasting and praying for Saturday.
Yeah. Let's ace this pre-test on Thursday. Okay, everyone. We'll see you in
All right,
a couple days.
All right, have a good one.
All right. Good night.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.